Good evening, dear students. In this video lecture, I am going to discuss the IUPAC nomenclature of alcohols, phenols, and ethers. So, first of all, I will discuss the IUPAC nomenclature of alcohol and phenols. In IUPAC, alcohols are named as alkanol because the root word is alkane and we use the suffix "ol". So suffix "ol" is used in the IUPAC nomenclature of your alcohol and the root word is your alkane. For example, if we have CH3OH, as you know from class 11, that there are two systems of nomenclature. One is called trivial system or common system of nomenclature and another is your IUPAC. So in trivial system it is called your simply methyl alcohol, but in IUPAC it is your methanol. So why it is methanol? Because your root word is methane and then we use suffix "ol" and the E will be dropped and that's why it is your methanol. Similarly, if alcohol is of this type CH3CH2OH, then the IUPAC name of this alcohol is your ethanol. Now, if we have higher alcohol, then in nomenclature we have to take care that the alcoholic functional group should be placed at your lowest possible carbon. कहने का मतलब कि यदि आपका अल्कोहल 3 कार्बन का है, 4 कार्बन का है या उससे भी ज़्यादा है, तब जो आप IUPAC नोमेनक्लेचर करोगे उसमें ये ध्यान रखना है कि जो अल्कोहलिक फंक्शनल ग्रुप है इट शुड बी प्लेस्ड एट द लोएस्ट पॉसिबल कार्बन. दूसरा पॉइंट ये दैट इफ देयर इज एनी डबल और ट्रिपल बॉन्ड इन योर कार्बन चेन देन चेन मस्ट बी टेकन इन सच ए वे. आप चेन ऐसा लोगे कि अल्कोहलिक फंक्शनल ग्रुप तो चेन में आए ही along with your multiple. But priority must be given to your alcoholic functional. कोशिश हमको हमेशा ये करना होगा कि alcoholic functional group should be placed at your lowest possible carbon. Now let us see some of the example which is given in your NCERT text. For example, suppose we have a compound of this type. Say this is your CH3, CH2, CH2OH. Now the IUPAC name of this compound is your propan-1-ol. Somebody may ask you कि भाई इसको propan-1-ol क्यों बोलेंगे? Because this alcoholic functional group is at carbon number 1. That is the lowest position. In common system of nomenclature, it is also known as your normal propyl alcohol. Suppose if we shift this OH group, at this carbon, इसी अल्कोहलिक फंक्शनल ग्रुप को इससे उठा करके इस कार्बन पे लगा दीजिए. Then the IUPAC name will be your propan-2-ol. Then the IUPAC name is your प्रोपान टू ऑल। कहता है इसका कॉमन नेम क्या होगा? सो द कॉमन नेम इज योर आइसोप्रोपाइल एल्कोहल। द कॉमन नेम और योर ट्रिवियल नेम इज योर आइसोप्रोपाइल एल्कोहल। Similarly, suppose we have a compound of this type: CH3, CHOH, CH2, CH3. Naturally, I have to count from this side so that the alcoholic group should be placed at lowest possible carbon. तो आप इधर से काउंटिंग जब करोगे, इट इज 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this compound is named as your butan-2-ol. आप इसको कह सकते थे नॉर्मल ब्यूटाइल एल्कोहल. Let us suppose if we have alcohol is of this state. Now everyone is knowing that this group is your tertiary butyl group. So the common name is your tert butyl alcohol. But what is the IUPAC name? It is of 3 carbon chain, 1, 2, 3. 2 पे अल्कोहलिक ग्रुप भी है और सेकेंड कार्बन पे आपका मिथाइल भी है. So the IUPAC name is your 2-methyl propan 2-ol. It is your 2-methyl propan 2-ol. In the same way, suppose if in alcohol, let us suppose if we have a double bond CH3CH double bond CH, say OH, H and your CH3. तो आप देखिए इस कंपाउंड में आपका डबल बॉन्ड भी है और अल्कोहलिक फंक्शनल ग्रुप भी है. बट फॉर योर इंफॉर्मेशन, प्रायोरिटी शुड बी गिवन टू योर अल्कोहलिक फंक्शनल ग्रुप. आप प्रायोरिटी किसको दोगे? अल्कोहलिक फंक्शनल ग्रुप को दोगे. तो नेचुरली आपकी जो काउंटिंग होगी वो फ्रॉम दिस साइड. It is 1, it is 2, it is 3, it is 4, it is 5. 5 कार्बन का अल्कोहल पेंटानॉल. As there is double bond, it is your pentanol. लेकिन आपको ये जो इन है, जो डबल बॉन्ड है ना, उसका पोजीशन you have to assign. So the IUPAC name is your pen 3-in-2-ol. Why 3-in? Because your double bond is in between C3 and C4. आपका जो डबल बॉन्ड है ये C3 और C4 के बीच है. That's why it is your pen 3-in-2-ol. Now let us suppose if the alcoholic functional group is present twice, then what should be the name? Let us suppose if we have compound like this CH2OH, CH2OH. Now there are 2 alcoholic groups. So it is not simply all, but it is your diol. Diol इसलिए क्योंकि अल्कोहलिक फंक्शनल ग्रुप 2 बार आया है. So it is 1, it is 2. So the IUPAC name is your ethane 1,2 diol. I hope you know the commercial name of this compound is your ethylene glycol or simply called glycol. Similarly, if we write glycerol, it is CH2OH, CHOH and CH2OH. तो देखिए इसका क्या IUPAC नाम होगा? It is 1, 2, 3. The IUPAC name is your propane 1, 2, 3 triol, which is also known as your glycerol. Now let us discuss the nomenclature of some of your cyclic compounds. Like if we have OH group on this cyclic ring, then it is simply your cyclohexanol. It is your simply cyclohexanol. अब देखिएगा बहुत सारे लोग इसको साइक्लोहेक्सानोल भी लिखते हैं, वो भी चलेगा. Whether you write cyclohexanol or you write cyclohexanol. Similarly, let us suppose we have this OH group and say this is your methyl. Since this is your functional group, so this carbon is 1, this is 2, this is 3. So the IUPAC name is your 3-methyl cyclohexanol, or you may write 3-methyl cyclohexanol. वो भी लिख सकते हैं. Now let us discuss some of the aromatic compounds, that is your aromatic alcohol, that is phenol or its derivative. So this is your phenol. So phenol is accepted in both in common name as well as in your IUPAC. दोनों में आपका phenol सही. Next, if we have this is OH and there is CH3, then since it is your functional, so this position is 1, this position is 2, so this is your 2-methyl phenol. The common name is your orthocresol, because methyl phenols are known as your cresol. Methyl phenol is known as cresol. जो आपका मिथाइल फेनॉल है ना, उसी को हम लोग क्या लिखते हैं, क्रेसॉल लिखते हैं. अब मान लीजिए यही अगर इफ इन द सेम कंपाउंड सपोज करिए ये मिथाइल ग्रुप वहां से आप रिप्लेस कर दीजिए और रिप्लेस करके थर्ड कार्बन पे लगा दिया. सो दिस इज सेकेंड कार्बन, दिस इज थर्ड कार्बन, देन इट इज योर 3-methyl phenol. And I hope you know 3-methyl phenol is known as your metacresol. और इस यही अगर मान लीजिए if the same methyl group अगर फोर्थ पोजीशन पे हम लगा दें, जिसको आप कहते हैं para position, then it is your simply 4-methyl phenol, that is also known as your para-cresol. ये सब आप क्लास 11th में भी पढ़े. Now let us suppose if we place one more OH group, अगर इसी में मान लीजिए हमने एक और OH group लगा दिया, डाइहाइड्रेट फेनॉल कर दिया. Now you know it is your benzene 1,2 diol, तब ये हो जाएगा बेंजीन डायल. कॉमर्शियली इट इज नोन एज योर कैटेकॉल. क्या बोलेंगे इसको, कैटेकॉल. सिमिलरली इफ वी हैव दिस टाइप ऑफ योर डाइहाइड्रेट फेनॉल, डाइहाइड्रेट इसलिए कि 2 H ग्रुप है, फिर योर IUPAC नेम इज benzene 1,3 diol, which is also known as your resorcinol. So resorcinol is trivial name, however benzene 1,3 diol is your simply called IUPAC. मान लीजिए कोई कहता सर फोर्थ पे रहता, then it will be benzene 1,4 diol. So this is your the nomenclature of alcohol and fat. Thank you.